That's not good. Oh, the radiator. Something. Oh, shit. That bull pretty much totaled that car, essentially. Imagine having to explain that to the insurance company. What are these? Big ass eels. These things creep me out, bro. Or leeches. Eels or leeches. I don't want to get close to those things.
Eels.
Eels, yeah. Nah, I don't.
Ah! The duck got that.
Yo, that was probably the devil duck from that last fat electrician video that we saw. The one that went to combat with the Marines. That duck literally just finessed a piece of bread from all these eels. I know they're pissed. The fucking balls on, or the beak on this duck. The savagery. He don't give a shit.
The duck got that.
Oh! I'm telling you.
No. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a hammerhead. Bro, do you not see it? Do you not see it?
He sees it. Look at him. Oh my god.
Oh, bro, that.
Howdy.
Yo, dude, that's his dad recording, and his dad is trying his absolute hardest to not laugh at his son. He's trying so hard. But you know, props to that kid. He didn't fall off the scooter. That's a Razor scooter. Those things aren't really... I sucked at riding those things. But yo, he stayed on it, man. You gotta give the little kid props. He stayed on it, but the real question is what did you do to that bird? Or what did you say to it? Did you catch an attitude? I don't know. That might be an eagle. A bald eagle. I could be wrong, but from this angle... Yo, this bird had it out for that kid. This bird had it out for that kid. Oh my god.
1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ!
Oh my god, and he sounds Australian too. And you know how Australia has like 7 out of 10 of the most deadliest snakes in the world. Hold on, let me see if I can catch his accent one more time. If that's Australia, bro, he quite possibly could have died here.
And 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snake! Jesus Christ!
Yeah, the way he said snake, he kind of sounded Australian. But dude, Australia is fucking a wild place for snakes. I think 7 out of the 10 most deadliest snakes reside in Australia. I could be wrong, but hell, the real question is how the hell did that snake get inside your pants without you noticing?
I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful, Evan. Oh my god!
Oh!
That's a big
Oh! Oh! He's gone! He's gone! Yo, he's... My food, motherfucker. Hey man, I'm not above scrapping with those monkeys, man. If they want to throw hands, I'll throw hands with them. I don't mind. Oh, what is it? Please don't let it be a chihuahua. What is it? Oh, never mind. That's a good reason. Yeah, and that thing is fast. That thing was on a mission. I think that snake wanted your kid. Look at him. Let me in. Nah.
Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here.
That guy's got a good sense of humor, I guess. I don't know if I'd be mad, but I mean, like, fuck me, right? Good lord, how unlucky. I'm out. I'm out. Oh, and you fell, too. Of course you fell. Just like every scary movie ever. And it's just looking at you.
That puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
No, I think that puts the end to you coming out here ever again. Look at him. He's like, get out of my house. Oh, no. Damn.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
First off, you're not supposed to be playing with fucking lions, dude. And second off, the hypocrisy. The hypocrisy. You're not supposed to show fear. Ah! Like, I gotta see that clip one more time. Oh, he's never gonna live that down. He's never gonna live that down.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
That is a small little alligator. Pedal faster! Pedal faster, Lance! Oh no! Yo, a moose can completely fuck your whole life up. Oh no. I gotta see that one again. That's too good. That's too good. Oh, that's why. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. That's why. That's why this cyclist almost got sent to the fucking Shadow Realm. I see it now. Look at it. See in the far right-hand corner? The young. That's just unlucky. Man, you really can't do anything about that. I don't this horse is not very happy right now. Get off me. What the fuck? That horse is not happy.
Like a big stick or something.
You're probably gonna pull up a fucking crocodile.
Big stick. Whatever it is.
It's probably a crocodile.
That is not a stick. Oh my god. That's not a stick at all. Holy sh**. Holy oh my lord, holy moly.
Yo, cut the fucking line and stop wasting real. Really, for the most part. You ain't bringing that in, and if you do, you're a god.
Wow, that changes things.
It changes everything.
Hey,
It's gonna be a bear. I can feel it.
hey,
I knew it.
hey, hey.
Not a full-grown bear. It's a.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
Is that a cougar?
I
A
promise I'm not
a
gonna
mountain
bug you.
lion?
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I'm going away.
I'd be so
I'm
petrified.
going away. I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away.
That's a mountain
I'm
lion.
going away. I'm not gonna bug you.
I could be
I'm
wrong.
going away.
Don't get too comfortable with a giraffe, bro. Don't get too comfortable with a giraffe.
I have a gun.
I am walking backwards on the trail back to the camp.
That is
Walking
so
on the
scary.
trail, and
Ma-
mom and two cubs.
Mama bear with
So
her
I'm
cubs.
continually to walk backwards.
Nah.
And mom and the cubs keep following me.
Yeah,
And
because
are
you're
walking at least as fast as I am.
you're possible food for her kids. I don't think they just want to shake your hand. That's not Winnie the Pooh.
Nó còn bám miệng này nhá. Ui.
Cho thì xin anh đi.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You. No! Get the away! Go away!
He said, "Fuck
Go
you,
away.
fuck you, fuck you."
No! No! You, dude! Holy. Yeah, get the away from me. Face.
Hey man, I don't think you should be talking shit, really. I think he spared you or something spooked him. And I don't think it was you. You were very scared up until he ran away, and then you want to talk shit like, yeah, fuck face, that's what you get. Man, come on now. Come on now.